若我困伫土地了，阁会当听到你的声。伫长草下骹，我肺呼气的心还会清。Actually, the words in this sentence wasn't entirely in Penang Hokkien because this sentence was translated by my Taiwanese friend, Li Lam-kit, was translated by her. So some of the words she used, I think, belongs to Taiwanese Hokkien. But anyway, it's not a big deal, so we can start now. The meaning of na is if, but in Penang Hokkien, you can also say na si or sit su or nasi. Gua, you already learned it in the previous video. It means I, and khùn means sleep. And when you want to say you are locating at somewhere, you use the word ti. For example, I'm at the hospital, wa ti lo gun chu, or I'm at the police station, wa ti ma da ging, etc. Wow, 土地 means under the ground, but in the colloquial speech of Penang Hokkien, we won't say 土地. Usually we say 土卡ē地, 土卡ē地. And liao means already. Sudah in bahasa Melayu, или уже по-русски. And then the meaning of go means still. You can say something like wa go means I still have something. Wa go ē-tàng means can. 聽到 means hear, you hear something. And 你的聲 means your voice. 你 is you. 聲 means voice. So 你的聲 it means your voice. Suara kamu. 伫長草下骹. 伫 means at somewhere. 長草 means long grass. 下骹 means under something. Or you can also say ē地. Both ē地and下骹have the same meaning. 我肺呼氣的心 means my heart of dust. 肺呼 means dust, and 肺呼氣 means something became dust. For example, if you burn an item and then it will became dust, something like that. 還會清. Yao means still, would still. A means can, and qing means beating. Like your heart is beating, something like that. But in the colloquial speech of Penang Hokkien, we won't say yao ē qing. Usually we say go ē tiao. If we want to say something like our heart would still beating, we would say why 심정 go ē tiao. Go ē tiao instead of yao ē qing. So 若我困伫土地了，阁會當聽到你的聲。我肺呼氣的心還會清. It literally means if I'm sleeping under the ground and I can still hear your voice, then my heart would still beating even though it already became dust. And here's the original quote from Rome Holiday.
If I were dead and buried and I heard your voice, beneath the sod my heart of dust would still rejoice. Do you know that poem?
Anyway, I think that's all for today's lesson, and I hope we can continue to 用 Penang Hokkien 話來感受電回去的雅氣. Hope you survive until the next election. See you and goodbye.